Hello friends, welcome to my channel PHP Developer Panki. So today we are going to see how to create a custom form like this, and we will create a URL slash my form, and that will call a custom form like this. I have called the email address field and then submit button. So to create this custom form we will need two files. First is routing file. In this routing file I'm just continuing my previous video where I've created the custom module. Okay, so I have inserted few lines of code above these lines. Okay, so hello world, that is my custom module name, that is over here, and my form, my underscore form, that is I have created any name you can create as per your choice. My form I have written, and then path where I will call on which URL I will call the custom form, my form. So that is slash my form, that is my path where I will call my custom form, and then title of that form, and then form which form I want to call. That is starting from Drupal. Everywhere we start with Drupal, that is because of Drupal project, and then the custom module name, that is hello world, that is my custom module name, and then form. Inside the custom module hello world we will have a form folder, that is here inside src. Then inside src we have form folder, then inside form folder we have my form, that is my form.php, and then required permission true, that I am allowing to access this form. And then the second file is my form.php, that is over here. So this file will be called from the routing file. Routing file is used to access anything, to provide a URL, and then what you want to call what you want to do with that particular URL. Okay, then because I have called that form, that is my form.php. Okay, so now we are inside my form.php. So that .php always start with namespace, and that always start with again with Drupal, then our custom module, and then because this is a form, then form, and inside this form we have called two classes that will be used by this page form. Okay, that is form base and form state interface. And then inside this below this classes we'll create a class my form, that is the file name, then extending the form base. Okay, that is necessary, that is our core form base, then only we can create our custom form. And then we are returning a id, that is user choice id, to return a form id. We need to create a form id as well, that is why we have written this public function. And again public function we have created to build that form, and inside this form we will be needing two parameters, that is form array, and then again form state interface to create the states of form while we are submitting. So now we are building the form, so that is why build form function, and inside form we have two elements only. First is email and a submit button. Email is the field name, that is because type is text field, that we will having a text field as a type, title of the field name, size of the field, and required to, that means that will be required to submit any value inside it. Description, that will be placeholder, and then submit button, type is equal to submit and value will be submit, and then just submitting the function, and what message you want to print after submitting the form, that is over here. So then we need to remove the cache, and then this will show up like this. So if we are not entering anything over here and submitting and clicking on submit button, it will show validation because we have made it required as a true. Okay, then now if we are submitting anything and submitting, So it will show a message whatever we have written in our code. I hope you understood this, how to create a custom form. If you understood, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.